This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already made the form. Now link it to a Google Sheet so responses land in rows. Once done, make sure headers are clear and stable because those names are what you'll map later. Next, choose your Excel target. Pick Excel Online on OneDrive for live transfer. Local files require manual export. Start the transfer tool now. Either set up Zapier/Make or plan a Power Automate flow to move rows from Google Sheets to Excel automatically. You'll now build the actual automation that moves rows from Google Sheets into an Excel table. First, create a trigger for a new row in the sheet, then add an action to insert a row into the Excel table stored on OneDrive. Make sure to map each column explicitly so dates and numbers retain correct types, and add simple formatting or parsing steps if needed. Once mapped, add conditional steps or error handling to skip duplicates, and test You're almost done. Run several test submissions and verify they appear properly in Excel. Check types, order, and empty cell behavior. If all tests pass, enable automatic runs on your Flow or Zap and set up alerts for failures so you can respond quickly. If something goes wrong, make sure you have edit permissions on the Google Sheet and the OneDrive Excel file. Confirm the Excel table range includes headers, and ensure header names match exactly between systems. Adjusting those fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.